Hello, you're watching Kayvan Crafted, and today I'm gonna build a Santa finder. Now, this kind of Santa finders, they are actually used for drawing and a straight line in the middle of the long piece of wood. Very simple and practical, and I will show you the simple design. So if you like to see what's new about it and what pieces are optimized and improved, watch this video. While there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube which show how to make a Santa finder, I find most of the bells and whistle on those unnecessary. A lot of them are using ball bearing on a fully threaded bolt, which in my opinion is not the best solution. Here I'm going to use partial threaded bolts, and to make it move smoothly and without friction, I will just polish the unthreaded part. It's lighter, less expensive, less complicated, and if you believe me, it actually moves smoother. All you will need for this project is a piece of wood, 2 partial threaded M8 bolt, 4 M8 nuts, and some sanding papers. I started by sanding and cutting the wood. Then I mark the bolt places and the pencil hole, which is located exactly in the middle of the bolts. Then drilled the holes and also opened up the top and the bottom of the holes with some large bit, so the nuts will sit flat, especially at the bottom. Then I cut off the bolts heads and mount the bolts from the threaded side into my press drilled chuck. This will make the sanding process very easy. I started with 150 grit dry and then switched to wet papers from 400 all the way up to 2000 grit. I used a mallet and hammer to make sure the nuts will sit nice and flat. I put the bolts in their places and then tightened the top and bottom nuts. Try to beat that with ball bearing. Now all you need is a pencil. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment. I will answer all